Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 72 inches 5-tier rug that is could be good for, I want to say, like for a garage, for like an office, for a studio, or if you want to use it in a room like this one right here. This is kind of like my warehouse. This is where I put the products that I'm going to be working in with videos and stuff. So to me, having this one in my dining room is actually quite good because that's the purpose of this one, but you can put it anywhere you want. The assembly process, oh wow, the assembly process got me a little bit mind blown because this one right here took me, I'm not gonna exaggerate, probably like 12 minutes, no more than that. No power tools, no tools, nothing. The only thing you need is just kind of like a rubber mallet, a small rubber mallet that comes with the actual package. And this one comes with a special, everything is explained right here, by the way, but this one comes with a special kind of like assembly process that you may kind of like put the brackets, kind of like push them down, put the top shelves, and that's it. That's everything you need. It's not gonna take you more than 10 or 15 minutes up. And it also comes with these bars over here that you can set up kind of like right here on the sides if you need on the inner side, so you can put them right here and avoid things from like going out of the rails or out of the shelves right here on the sides. And also another thing that this one comes with, I'm not gonna put this ones and I'm gonna explain you why. I'm going inside now. You can actually attach this one to the wall with some other brackets that comes with, but let me actually take you in a close-up. This is 72 by 35 inches wide by 16 inches deep. But then you can see the metal structure over there. It's actually pretty firm and solid, I have to say, as well as the 5-tier shelves and the metal structure on the sides, as well as the bottom part that comes kind of like with rubber pads. You can adjust the height of each one of these shelves as anything you want. You can actually put them super close, super like far away from each other. But I did this kind of like an asymmetric way, I kind of like to say, actually symmetric way, just to have a really nice sense of organization right here. So 5 tiers, 72 inches tall, 35 wide, 16 deep, and super easy assembled. Really nice metal firm structure, and of course lots of room for all your storage purposes. Doesn't matter what it is, if it is on a garage or office or studio, this one is a good one. I like it. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.